Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P101A indicates a VTC B Advance Malfunction, which pertains to the variable timing control VTC system of the Honda Accord from the years 2017 to 2023. The VTC system is crucial for optimizing the timing of the intake and exhaust valves, facilitating improved engine efficiency and performance. When the DTC P101A is triggered, it signifies a malfunction specifically with the VTC oil control solenoid valve, B, or its actuator. This issue could lead to suboptimal engine performance, reduced power, or potential engine knocking if not addressed. It is essential to approach troubleshooting systematically to isolate the problem appropriately. Refer to the general troubleshooting information before beginning any diagnostic procedures. The DTC P101A primarily indicates a malfunction within the variable timing control VTC system, specifically with VTC oil control solenoid valve B. This solenoid plays a vital role in regulating oil flow to the VTC actuator, which alters the timing of valve movements to optimize performance. The solenoid valve B is typically positioned near the engine, often found on the cylinder head where it can effectively control oil distribution. A failure in this component may affect engine timing, potentially leading to performance issues such as rough idling or diminished power. Additionally, addressing problems related to the VTC actuator, which relies on feedback from the oil control solenoid, is critical to resolving any systemic issues with engine control. Several factors may lead to the triggering of DTC P101A, each impacting the operation of the VTC system. A common cause is a faulty VTC oil control solenoid, which can fail to regulate oil flow effectively, leading to improper valve timing adjustments. Another potential cause is damage to the VTC actuator itself, which could prevent it from responding correctly to the control signals from the solenoid. Furthermore, oil passages within the VTC system may become blocked due to sludge or debris buildup, restricting oil flow and affecting performance. It's crucial to systematically evaluate these components to determine the root cause of the malfunction and restore normal engine operation. Symptoms associated with DTC P101A can vary, but typically include rough idling, which indicates a possible misalignment in the timing of valve operations. The engine may also demonstrate reduced power during acceleration, as the VTC system fails to optimize valve timing for performance. Additionally, drivers may hear knocking or pinging sounds as a result of poor timing, which can cause premature ignition. These symptoms not only affect comfort, but also indicate potential long-term damage if the underlying issues are not addressed promptly. Observing these signs necessitates immediate investigation to prevent serious engine complications and ensure the vehicle operates at peak efficiency. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P101A begins with ensuring the vehicle is in the on mode without starting the engine. This allows the diagnostic tool, Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to interface with the vehicle's ECU. Clearing the existing DTC with the HDS resets the system, allowing it to reevaluate current conditions. Following this, the engine should be started to determine if the fault persists. After starting, it is essential to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS again. If DTC P101A is still indicated, this confirms a persistent issue within the VTC system. If there is no DTC present, it may suggest an intermittent failure where the system is currently functioning correctly. In Step 2 of the troubleshooting process for DTC P101A, the vehicle should be turned off completely. This precaution is vital before testing components to avoid any electrical hazards. The next action involves testing the VTC oil control solenoid valve B to verify its operational status. Proper functionality of this solenoid is pivotal for the adequate regulation of oil flow within the VTC system. If the solenoid is functioning correctly, it will allow for the proper oil pressure and flow necessary for the actuator's performance. Should the test indicate a failure, the next course of action is to replace VTC oil control solenoid valve B to restore function. Otherwise, we proceed to assess the actuator B. The third step in addressing DTC P101A focuses on the inspection of VTC actuator B. The actuator is responsible for adjusting the timing of the engine valves based on the signals received from the VTC oil control solenoid. If the actuator is found to be operating correctly, the next action will be to check the oil passages within the VTC system. Clogged oil passages can prevent adequate oil flow, causing timing issues. If obstructions are present, they should be cleaned meticulously to ensure optimal oil flow dynamics. However, if the actuator is malfunctioning, it will necessitate replacement before testing the system further. It's essential for these components to be in good condition to ensure the proper functionality of the VTC system. Final repair verification is crucial after addressing the components related to DTC P101A. Use the HDS to recheck for any stored DTCs and ensure that the previously indicated faults have been cleared successfully. It's important to confirm that the vehicle is operating normally, without any alerts or performance irregularities following repairs. A test drive should be conducted, evaluating engine performance under various conditions to observe for any signs of malfunction. This comprehensive check ensures the effectiveness of the repairs made. Proper verification reassures that the VTC system and overall engine management are functioning as intended, without any persistent issues. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in averting future occurrences of DTC P101A. Regular oil changes are essential as they prevent sludge and debris from accumulating within the engine and VTC system. Monitoring for any diagnostic trouble codes provides early insight into potential issues before they escalate. Additionally, periodic inspections of VTC components help ensure that each part functions within its specified parameters. By implementing these maintenance practices, vehicle operators can extend the lifespan of engine components and enhance overall vehicle performance. This proactive approach significantly reduces the likelihood of unexpected repairs and increases reliability. In conclusion, addressing DTC P101A involves identifying the correct components and meticulously following the specified troubleshooting steps. The VTC system's integrity is crucial for optimal engine performance, so resolve any detected issues promptly to avoid further complications. Each diagnostic step serves to pinpoint the source of the error accurately, facilitating effective repairs. Moreover, implementing preventive maintenance practices can significantly decrease the chances of future occurrences of such DTCs. Ensuring your vehicle is in top condition enhances not only performance, but also reliability and safety on the road. Remember, prompt intervention is key to maintaining your Honda Accord's engine health. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.